In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email series in Brevo. Begin by logging into your Brevo account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and find Automations. Click Automations to open the area where you can build workflows that send emails automatically based on a trigger, like when someone joins a list. Next, go to the top right of the Automations page and click Create an Automation. Brevo will show you different automation types to help you get started quickly. Select Welcome Message. This is a simple and reliable starting point for an email series because it is built around welcoming new subscribers and following up with them over time. After selecting Welcome Message, click Start Automating. You will be prompted to choose a list. This list is important because it defines who will enter the automation. Typically, it is the list where new subscribers are added, such as your newsletter list or a lead magnet list. Select the list you want to use, then click Next to confirm and move forward. Now you will see the Workflow Builder. This is where you set the timing and the emails in your series. To add spacing between messages, click the plus icon. From the options that appear, choose Add a Delay. Set the amount of time you want to wait before the next email sends. For example, you might delay by a few hours or a day, depending on how quickly you want to follow up. The main goal is to give subscribers time to read and respond, instead of sending everything at once. Once the delay is set, click the plus icon again to add the email step. Select Send an Email. Brevo will ask you to choose a template. Pick a template that matches the style of your brand and the purpose of your message. Using a template helps you stay consistent and saves time, especially if you plan to expand the series later. When you are satisfied with the setup, finish by clicking Activate. This turns the automation on so that new contacts added to your chosen list will start receiving the series according to your delay and email settings. That covers everything you need to know.